Big Herc 916, positivity motivation, up early in the morning, about to get busy on this anti-rally car get together that's been in the making for a minute now. So I'm in San Diego enjoying this beautiful morning, and take a look at this. So this is the view from the room, the 8th floor. Not a bad view in the morning. A little fog in the air. Lots of buildings around us. So peaceful, in spite of California having this goddamn curfew bullshit. But you know, you always try to make the best of a situation and not really let it bring you down morally, man. And so we're gonna have some fun today, doing some nice driving, some spirited driving, and I'll get some cool footage for you guys. So we made it to the checkpoint to start off for the rally. Everybody's out here putting stickers on their car, getting ready to head out here in a little bit. It's not a super big group right now, pretty intimate group. We've actually did a rally with this group before. It should be a lot of fun. Everybody's pretty friendly, laid back, and there'll be some nice things to see along the way. California, man, out here in a t-shirt and pants, but it's actually nice weather. On our way on the freeway, having a little fun on a Saturday with the anti-rally. A lot of traffic, so you can't really get too crazy, man. It's just all about being safe. Got our first taste of some back roads here. This road right here is actually kind of rough. A lot of potholes, so you can't not pay attention. You got to pay attention because you mess your wheels up over here. photo op on the rally. Looks like an old Western ranch. It's a pretty cool arrangement of cars, how they did it for the pictures. Porsches in the back.
Dustin? Yeah. Actually, I live in Marietta, so it's every other guy.
So this is the morning after the rally. Everybody's getting ready to head home. And it was a cool night of partying, enjoying ourselves, meeting some great people, having some great conversation. Everybody made it here safe. And yeah, man. Big Bear, anti-rally, it's a wrap. They even have the staff dog here. He's up there chilling. He wanders around here at night, kicking it, making sure the compound is safe. That's a wrap. Big Bear, anti-rally. My last rally of California for 2020. And there'll be many more in the future, but had a good time, and it's a perfect way to wrap up this crazy year. Big Herc 916. Hey. I got that work. Hey, see, while y'all in quarantine, I got that work. Split the coronavirus wig, man. Hey, go to the link in the description and get your limited edition coronavirus wig splitter shirts. Big Herc 916 getting down fresh out.